Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2009 Kawasaki KLX140 youth trail bike. 4-stroke, 5-speed, electric start. That's right, don't have to kick this one over. Beautiful condition on this 4-stroke youth dirt bike. It's getting a brand new back tire. Ready to make your dirt dreams come true for just $24.99. Come on by, check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will, but I don't think this one's going to be here long. We got financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.